Kelly, I called you some candy ready to pop in there. Right now, you want. So Kelly, you bring up a go cross. So you need to break, and you can't cross it. I'm afraid. Yes, they could have read last time, you know. Right now, you're there. Cause why? Come in. Come across it.
No one, no, but me just... I feel like more.
Till then, blue shot.
Just look, as the rain fall, and this happen to it. As the rain fall to the Thursday, look there. Pure water, water for our veranda, water everywhere. Just look, everywhere. Everywhere. From what they then say them can clean the drain as the water dryer. Ah no, just look. As the rain fall, we get flood out from what they 3 times now we get flood out and ah no the drain can't clean.
You know, this thing really hurts me. It really hurts me to watch people being dragged across on a rope. Look at this person slip off in the water. My God. Really? National Works Agency. Daryl Vaz. I want to see the plight of the people them. My God Almighty, I'm telling you, this work that I do is so difficult. You carry the burden of so many persons. Now, how can I sleep tonight knowing that there are people out there that is stranded, can't reach home? This thing hurt me to the core. My heart is heavy. Andrew Holness, because clearly Darva is not listening. Andrew Holness, come to the rescue of the residents of Craigmill, Whitehall and Belvedere. They need your help. Look at this. Look at this now. Look at this little girl. If she slipped, she gone in the river below. How much more can they take? Look at this elderly man. This is him way home. What else can I say? I don't know, I'm going to lay down in the road myself out above B and Blackie Road. My God, come tomorrow morning. The people need answers. This is not supposed to last another day. This is a national emergency and a national disgrace. It's 3 communities, you know. It's 3 communities this is affecting. And don't forget the farmers that is involved. My God.
Till then, blue shot.